You don't want to just get stickers and do it?
I guess I could.
Decals, I guess.
Okay.
That's what I did for the WRX and the PIA stuff.
Never thought about that. Wow!
Holy
Did they steal? They
fucking hitting somebody.
They must have stolen that shit.
Yeah. There's no way he did not steal that. Holy Christ, dude.
I don't know how much further he's gonna make it. That shit.
And he blasts it through that red light. Too.
Yeah. Danger, danger.
Yes.
Like there's nobody. Oh, right there. They got in a car accident, I bet.
Oh yeah. That is what happened.
Jesus, fuck. But he probably stole it. And that's how he hit them in the first place.
Wow. Did he fuck their car up? I wonder if I have...
Get on video.
I might have his license plate number. I'm tempted to stop.
Do it. Oh wait, chicken. Well, do it. It's alright, we can burn the
I
chicken.
don't want you to burn your chicken.
That's fine. Do you have it?
I do have a pen. I'll write down my number real quick.
Go one block and then turn left. Swoop around.
Okay.
There's probably an alley close by. Damn. They fucked it up.
They fucked everybody up. There's like 3 cars they got here.
Yeah. Nothing in it.
Sure, I got something.
Man, that dude smashed them and dipped.
Yep.
We were over here worried about this Impreza.
There's a car.
Don't have any. I literally emptied my pockets right before we left.
Is it specials? Can I go right on this? No, I can't. Alright.
Or I guess you might be able to pull. No, people are probably turning left.
Two 258-4569.
You don't remember your number?
I do, but I was trying to make sure it was legible.
Alright, this truck actually pulled over. Hold on.
I'm gonna stop for this lady.